Do you want to create a freelancer marketplace like UpWork or Fiverr for your own business? Do you have a unique idea to create a freelancer marketplace targeting a specific industry like IT, construction work, housekeeping staff and more? Then you have come to the right video. Considering your decision to create a freelancer website and app, it's crucial to understand the industry. In the US alone, the freelancer community contributed a staggering $1.27 trillion to the economy in 2023. UpWork and Fiverr, the top freelancer platforms, reported revenues of $689 million and $362 million, respectively, in 2023. To create a successful freelancer marketplace like UpWork or Fiverr, you need to have a technical partner like Brew Labs. Our highly skilled team of developers and designers leverage cutting-edge technologies and mobile programming techniques to deliver you an exceptional app and create engaging and compelling user experiences. Our freelancer marketplace app comprises a customer app and an admin panel. Our admin panel consists of Admin Dashboard, Freelancer Database, Marketing Tools, Customer Support. Our customer app consists of Quick User Login, Profile Creation, Job Creation, Rating Management, Project Management Tools, Multiple Payment Options, Push Notifications, In-App Chat Support. This completes our base version of a freelancer marketplace platform. It can be further customized and optimized as per your business requirements. If you are interested in entering the freelancer marketplace industry, then we at Brew Labs are here to help. Our team specializes in creating customized tech solutions, and we will develop a customized freelancing platform that aligns perfectly with your business needs. With our platform, you benefit from advanced AI capabilities integrated seamlessly, state-of-the-art end-to-end data encryption, and a robust blockchain-based architecture, all ensuring the utmost security. Moreover, we provide you with full control over the source code. If you want to connect with us, simply click on the link provided in the description and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.